Welcome. In this very short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send snaps without a media upload on Snapchat. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Snapchat app. Now once you're in here, in the camera section, just go to the top and tap on this down arrow key. Alright, tap on it, and in here, as you can see, we have the director mode. And if you can't see the text, well, just make sure that you tap on the camera icon that got the store. Okay, so just tap on it. Now go ahead and go to the very bottom of this list and tap on the upload option. Now go ahead and select the specific media that you wanted to send. Tap on the check mark. Now go ahead and tap on preview like so. And then you'd go ahead and tap on send to or edit it however you want. Okay, now make sure to tap on send to, like so. Send it to whoever you like. Send, and once that's done, we'll say snap sent. Now, as you can see here, it doesn't say media upload anymore. That is it. But I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.